What if I told you that a football app just made $2.7 million in its first week and DC tokens are up nearly 30%? The crypto market is evolving right before our eyes, from pure speculation to actual utility. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this 6-minute Crypto Pulse update will show you exactly what's happening and how to position yourself for what's coming next. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Crypto Pulse flash update. If you're new here, every 12 hours we deliver the most critical market insights you need to stay ahead of the crowd. Let's dive straight into what's happening in the market right now. First, let's look at our top assets by market cap. Bitcoin sitting at $120,820, down about 2%. Ethereum at $4,920, showing a smaller decline of 1.37%. XRP at $3.02, down just under 1%. Solana at $2.8, and BNB at $8.76, both down less than 0.5%. The overall crypto market cap stands at a massive $3.93 trillion, with daily volume at $151 billion. Bitcoin dominance is holding strong at 57.2% of the total market. But here's where things get really interesting. While the major assets are seeing minor corrections, certain sectors are absolutely exploding. DeSci tokens are up an incredible 29.99%, led by BIO Protocol, which has surged between 135 to 70%. DFAI is up 26.89%. Oracle's up 21.07%, LRT protocols gaining 12.29%, and CEX tokens up 11.8%. The biggest story today is what I'm calling the utility convergence revolution. Football.Fun has exploded onto the scene with $2.7 million in marketplace volume in just its first week on base. This isn't just another speculative token. It's generating real revenue by combining fantasy football with tokenized player shares. What makes this significant is that it's onboarding non-crypto users seamlessly through familiar experiences. It's proof that crypto gaming can achieve mainstream adoption when built around experiences people already understand. Simultaneously, we're seeing a major institutional breakthrough in decentralized science. BIO Protocol has surged 135-270% as crypto whale Arthur Hayes invested over 1 million, while 125 million tokens, a 400% increase, have been staked, creating a serious supply shock. This isn't just speculation. It represents over $30 million in actual biotech research funding across 12 BioDAOs, with Pfizer even participating in IP tokenization trials. We're witnessing traditional research gatekeepers being eliminated as blockchain democratizes scientific funding. The third key trend is the maturation of crypto infrastructure. CEX tokens have surged 11.08% as mindshare jumps to 9.43%, the highest in months. This rotation from pure DeFi plays to hybrid infrastructure reflects crypto's evolution toward mainstream financial integration. Even more shocking, Hyperliquid's decentralized exchange actually outtraded Coinbase on Bitcoin spot volume. That's an $80 billion public company beaten by a $15 billion DeFi protocol. And breaking just hours ago, Japan's Prime Minister Fumio Kishida declared Web3 fundamental to economic growth at WebEx 2025, announcing tax reforms for Web3 startups and positioning Japan as Asia's crypto hub. From a technical perspective, BIO is in price discovery mode after breaking through all resistance levels, while Football.Fun is establishing a $2.7 million weekly volume floor that proves consumer crypto viability. The base ecosystem continues to expand with 8.6 million daily transactions, validating Ethereum's L2 infrastructure for mainstream applications. On the regulatory front, the SEC and CFTC have launched a historic joint crypto sprint initiative with a Solana ETF approval targeted for October 10th. Their new generic listing standards framework now allows any crypto with 6+ months of active futures trading to qualify for ETF listing. This means 12 major tokens are now ETF eligible, including Solana, XRP, Cardano, and others. Following Ripple's legal victory, 7 major asset managers have filed XRP ETF applications, targeting $8 billion in institutional inflows. So what should you do with all this information? Monitor consumer crypto applications like Football.Fun that drive mainstream adoption through familiar user experiences. Track DeSci funding flows as institutional capital, recognizes blockchain's research democratization potential, pay attention to the L1 to L2 migration wave, as gaming giants prioritize Ethereum's security. Follow Japan's regulatory developments as they position as Asia's crypto hub. Here's what I want to know from you. Football.Fun's $2.7 million gaming breakthrough versus DeSci's $30 million plus institutional funding surge. Which do you think represents crypto's more important evolution? Consumer entertainment that drives mainstream adoption, or institutional infrastructure that solves real-world problems? Let me know in the comments below. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash update for August 25th, 2025. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch our updates every 12 hours. We'll be back with another pulse check in just 12 hours. Until then, position for adoption, not hype.